One of the most characteristic electronic drum sounds for today's pop and rap music originated from a hip-hop subgenre, trap. If you want to play along to 2020's pop and rap music, you'll come across trap beats. Mainly characterized by the fast hi-hat rolls and low bass drums, those beats have their very own aesthetics. The sounds are mainly originating from classic drum machines such as the Roland TR-808. If you want to recreate those sounds on an acoustic drum kit, you're confronted with various challenges. We set up two very different drum kits that suit those needs perfectly. With both kits, we used tight stacks as hi-hats, but with the first kit we had a second hi-hat set up with an aluminum plate replacing the bottom cymbal. To recreate a clap snare sound, a splash cymbal and some small bells are placed on the snare. The second snare drum we set up is a 10-inch snare with a cutout drum head placed on the batter head. For the cymbal, we also used a stack that has a short and high attack. The 18-inch kick drum worked well in this very controlled setting. The second drum kit looks and sounds very different. Trap beats often feature a low bass synthesizer, which supports the bass drum and creates a massive foundation for the beats. The 26-inch Sonor bass drum is tuned open and has no reso head. This way it imitates the bass synthesizers and provides a really low and fat sound. The snare drum is a 10-inch snare played upside down with a batter head installed on the snare side. We also taped the snares to shorten the sound even more. For a second snare sound, we used a self-built clap sound tool. A tight and taped stack hi-hat and a Zildjian FX spiral stacker complete the setup. Let's hear that kit. Recreating electronic sounds on an acoustic drum set is a lot of fun and a real challenge. What kit did you like the most? And do you have any other ideas on how to recreate characteristic trap sounds? Make sure to let us know down in the comments.